Today on Koali Pops, we are celebrating Pokemon with a Bulbasaur cake. I love Pokemon, I love Bulbasaur, and I think I've made like maybe 1 or 2 Bulbasaur cakes on this channel before, but this is my first attempt at a 3D one. I do plan on making Charmander and Squirtle at some point, but Bulbasaur is my favorite of the original starters, so I thought I'd start with him. I just love those like stubby legs, the wide set stance, and those big red eyes. They're just, I don't know, they're so adorable. Now, creating this cake was a ton of fun. I thought the hardest part was going to be creating the bulb on his back, but it wasn't. And overall, my favorite part of making this cake was the fondant sugar paste vine whip details that I applied at the end. Now, I'm curious, which of the original starters is your favorite, and which starter should I make next, Charmander or Squirtle? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.